Imagine being able to make an easy 3-figure per day income using crypto mining. Now, you can start making fortunes using crypto mining platforms. You already know that crypto is the hottest trend to make faster income. If you purchased a crypto coin in 2011, it was only $1. But right now, in 2021, it is $40,000 USD for one crypto coin. Crypto business is a very lucrative business right now. That's why we have created this awesome crypto mining platform for you to make tons of money. Introducing Infinite Crypto. Infinite Crypto is the world's first crypto mining platform that allows you to make 3-figure income per day easily on autopilot. Now, in just 3 simple steps, you can start making money easily with Infinite Crypto. Step 1. Get access to the software's dashboard. Step 2. Insert the required details in order to initiate the cloud setup. Step 3. Run your own crypto mining business and earn 3 figures a day. Now, you can finally start living the life of your dream with Infinite Crypto. Live a better, fulfilled life, traveling wherever you want. Now, everything is possible with the help of Infinite Crypto today. The value that you are getting? It's fair to charge $47 per month. The best part is, there is no monthly fee either. We are making it affordable for anyone to start a crypto mining business at just $17 for a lifetime. But hold on, that is not everything. We are also offering 5 fast action bonuses that help you get the best results with Infinite Crypto. Remember, you are covered with a 180 days money-back guarantee, so it is totally risk-free and 100% money-back guarantee for you. Price increases every hour, so click the below button and secure your copy now at a low one-time fee.